Let's draw a tree not on paper today but in an app. I'm using the Xiaomi tablet and Stylus pen here and drawing a simple realistic tree for beginners. I'll be using just one brush tool all the way through, except a different one for the trunk and branches. If you're interested in the things I'm using here, you can find details in the video description. Check out the description below, I've added all the details there for you. I'll start with the sky. For this, I'm using the leaves brush. The same brush I'll use all the way till the end for everything. The sky, the bushes and the leaves. This brush has a soft, natural texture that spreads color nicely without looking too even. I gently move the brush across the screen, starting with a deeper blue at the top and getting lighter near here and there. Then I use the swatch tool to softly blend it all together so it looks smooth and airy, just like a real sky. When we look at the sky, it always has movement. Sometimes clear and bright, sometimes cloudy or full of color. Nothing in nature is static. Even a calm blue sky changes every second with the light. As I blend the shades, I imagine a quiet morning. Soft wind, birds high above, and the sun just beginning to glow. That thought helps keep the strokes gentle and calm, so the artwork feels alive. The sky is the widest, freest part of any landscape. It connects every tree, every forest, every creature below. If you think about it, we all live under the same endless sky, no matter where we are. Drawing it makes you slow down and notice how peaceful something simple can be. Now that the sky is done, I'll move down to add some bushes and greenery. I still keep using the same leaves brush. I mix 2 or 3 green shades, one dark, one light, maybe a soft yellow-green, and lightly layer them in round shapes near the bottom of the picture. Nature never grows in straight lines, so I let the edges stay uneven. Some parts fade into shadow, others shine where light touches them. The leaves brush works perfectly to make the bushes look full and real. While drawing these shapes, I like to imagine how much life exists inside them. Tiny insects, soft bird nests, small creatures finding shelter. Every green patch is like a little world of its own. That's the magic of nature. It may look quiet, but it's full of energy and movement you can't always see. Green and blue together are nature's best friends, the sky and the land. They calm our eyes and clear our minds. As you draw, take your time and breathe. Let the strokes flow slowly. Digital drawing isn't about speed, it's about balance and patience, just like nature itself. Now I begin working on the upper part again, adding the soft layers of leaves to form the tree. I continue using the same leaves brush. The leaf clusters are never all the same. I tap gently, creating more density on one side and light gaps on the other. Those small spaces let light peek through, making the tree look real and alive. Leaves are like thousands of tiny hearts, breathing together. They make sunlight turn it into energy and give us the air we breathe. Just think, every green leaf you draw represents something living, something helping the planet. That thought alone makes this part special. I mix darker greens for depth and lighter touches where the sun would hit. A hint of golden green near the top helps the leaves glow naturally. The trick is not to make the edges too clean. Real trees always have soft, moving outlines where light and wind meets. When all the green parts come together, the sky, the bushes and the leaves, the picture feels whole. You can almost sense the breeze, the distant sounds of birds and the calm heartbeat of a quiet forest. That's what makes art powerful. You're not just shadowing how something looks, but how it feels to be there. And that finishes our drawing today. A peaceful tree and sky, made using just one brush, the leaves brush, keeping it simple and natural. If you want to get the same tablet or stylus I'm using, check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more calm creative drawing videos like this.